straight out of college, I went right into the classroom in Brooklyn, New York, became a school teacher, taught for 9 years, a bunch of 8th graders. Very, very, very rewarding, but at the same time, you know, it took a lot out of me. And dealing with so many children from so many different backgrounds was very stressful as well. But at the end of the day, I realized after I gave birth to my son that I could no longer stay in that particular environment, in that profession. And the reason being is because I needed to be there for him. And when you have a child that was diagnosed with, as my son was, severely mentally delayed, you know, sometimes things just didn't go the way they needed to go for him, and he needed me. And as well as my other 2 children, you know, they needed me too. You know, so I decided that I needed to be my own boss. I needed to be home. I needed to be there for them. And that's when I decided to just go into network marketing full force. You know, I been in this year now for not even 2 months yet. And I won't make any income claims, but what I will say is what has happened here in the last 5 weeks, okay, is just mind-boggling. And it's all because I decided to share some information with some folk, and they decided to partake. And as a result, everybody's happy. They're happy because they're generating better health, because they're now putting their bodies in a position to win. And they're happy also because they're getting checks. You're getting paid for caring and sharing. I mean, that's unheard of. I mean, so for the first time in our lives, we're able to put something in somebody's hands that they can really, really use, and at the same time generate a tremendous amount of income for doing so. We're really in a win-win situation.